all present here. As every meaningful beginning deserves a thoughtful conclusion, we now move towards the valedictory session of the ATAL Faculty Development Program on modernizing next-gen charging infrastructure for electric vehicles, AI-powered battery management systems under challenges, which has been a journey of learning, reflection, and professional enrichment. Over the past 6 days, this NDP has provided us with valuable insights, intellectual stimulation, and opportunities for collaboration. The sessions delivered by our eminent resource persons from Mahindra & Mahindra, Power Lab Instruments, Puducherry Technological University, Amrita Vishwa Vidyapeetham, SRM inspiring perspectives, but also insight into effective practice. I extend a warm welcome to our Principal, Dr. S. Ramachandran, and our Chief Guest, Dr. B. Chitti Babu, Head of the Department, ECE, IIITDM, Kanchipuram, dignitaries, and all participants joining us for this concluding session. Before we formally conclude, let us briefly reflect on the program. This FDP successfully addressed its objectives by covering contemporary themes, innovative pedagogical approaches, and practical perspectives relevant to engineering education on next-gen charging infrastructure. The active participation, engaging discussions, and thoughtful feedback from the participants truly made this program a success. I now invite our Principal Sir to honor our Chief Guest, Dr. B. Chitti Babu, IIITDM. Thank you, sir. I now invite our beloved HOD, sir, to honor our Principal, sir. Thank you, sir. It is my honor to invite Dr. S. Ramachandran, Principal of our institution and the driving force behind this program, to deliver the valedictory address.
Respected Chief Guest, respected HOD of Triple Department, and coordinators Dr. S. Kamalakaran and co-coordinator Dr. R. Madana, and senior faculty members, and all our colleagues and other faculty members from various colleges, other colleges. So really a very good opportunity for all the faculty members to know about the recent trends in industries. So nowadays, all the fossil fuels are creating a lot of pollution in the city limits because of the automobile and other vehicles. So these type of findings with help of AI-powered electric vehicles gives no pollution, so that for environment the effect and the affection will be completely removed, and all the diseases coming from the different types of air pollution will be eliminated. So in that way, all as a industry institute interaction, the faculty members should know the recent trends and emerging technology in the industries. So and that should be inculcated in the minds of young engineers, for making them to go forward in the area of the innovative related facilities and infrastructure. So in that way, this workshop for 6 days, you have been completely given all instructions and complete guidance, and also the new technology, and also you have gone for the different industrial visits, and different professors and experts have come and give the eye-opening of this technology. So it will be more useful for the faculty members. So you can definitely give your inputs, your knowledge, whatever you gain here to our students community. So I happily appreciate all the coordinators and also HODs and the faculty members for contributing to make this function, this FDP successful. So and still more number of FDP and workshops and seminars will be conducted, and all students will get benefited by using this type of workshop, seminar and FDP. I thank you all for making this event successful. Thank you so much.
Thank you, sir, for your constant encouragement and unwavering support towards academic excellence and faculty development. Now I request our chief guest, Dr. B. Chittibabu sir, to deliver a few words about this FDP to the gathering.
All of you, actually, faculty colleagues and many participants. So really it was my immense pleasure to be a part of this wonderful FDP, as I joined as assistant speaker for the last day, and I could fit with the requirements of this FDP as a resource person, so I could deliver a talk on electrical motors for EVs, so that insight would be taken with a different level of understanding the fundamental characteristics of electrical motors up to the application of electrical vehicle. And also I appreciate the coordinator and co-coordinator for organizing such a wonderful FDP. And you know the attracting the funding from the funding agencies like AICTE or ATAL is quite difficult situation, is very competitive, as I am a part of this AICTE as a new committee member for the proposals, and also kind of committee for visiting other institutions for AICTE approval as well. So I have a good association with the AICTE, so the funding was extremely difficult to attract this FDP. I appreciate Dr. Kamalakannan for attracting this funding for organizing this wonderful FDP. And for now sharing with different participants across the country, I could feel many of the participants outside of the institutions as well. So I appreciate. So as the teaching and learning is a kind of reciprocating mechanism, wherever I go, I used to tell that. So the knowledge sharing is very important. That's what the AICTE has spent a huge funding in terms of pros to spend for this FDP scheme. And of course, you do much benefited from the day one with the different speakers with the different area in electrical vehicle and associated components like battery management as well as the motor selections and control area as well. Right? With this, let me conclude. And this closing ceremony, of course, we are quite exhausted goal to lead the institution, as you are about to give you a certificate, as you could spend completely 6 days for this activity from the day, one day until Saturday. So I do not want to make you more barren, bore you to speak too much, as I speak too much during my session for almost 3 hours. Right? So let me conclude and thank you all, and my best wishes for the participants. Hope the takeaway will take a number of concepts from these different speakers. Hope you could implement in both teaching as well as for the research, and you could cultivate your the research culture as well as teaching culture to your UG students as well. Okay, thank you all, and have a nice day, and my best wishes.
Thank you, sir, for your inspiring and valuable insights. Now, it is my privilege to invite Dr. S. Kamalakannan, the coordinator of this FDP and the driving force behind its successful organization, to share a concise summary of the 6-day program with us.
The AICTE ATAL Faculty Development Program titled Modernizing Next-Gen Charging Infrastructure for Electric Vehicles, AI-Powered Management Systems and Their Challenges, successfully conducted at AIC Engineering College, Chennai, has been an intellectually enriching and forward-looking academic initiative. The program brought together eminent academicians from reputed institutions wise AAA TDM Kanchipuram, NIT Trichy, Puducherry Technological University, Amrita and SRM University, and seasoned industry professionals from Mahindra and Mahindra Limited, L&T Edutech, Sara Controls and Automation, PowerLab Instruments, and MCOG Solutions, creating a vibrant platforms for meaningful knowledge exchange. Through expert lectures, hands-on training, insightful case studies, and scholarly article discussions, participants gained comprehensive exposure to AI-powered EV charging infrastructure, smart energy management systems, grid integrations, standards, and real-world challenges. The effective convergence of academic depth and industry practically significantly enhanced the learning experience. The key outcomes of the FDP include strengthened faculty competence in next-gen EV and AI-enabled energy system, enhanced academia-industry collaboration encouraging applied research and innovation, motivation for interdisciplinary research, quality publications, and curriculum enrichment. Capacity building to nurture future-ready engineers aligned with the sustainable mobility goals. The success of this program stands as a collective achievement. The organizers gratefully acknowledge the valuable contributions of resource persons, the enthusiastic participants of faculty members, the unwavering support of the management and principal, head of the department, and the dedicated efforts of the organizing committee, teaching and non-teaching staff. This FDP has truly served as a catalyst for innovation, collaboration, and academic excellence in the domain of electric mobility. ஆசிரியர் பணி, அறப்பணி, கற்றோம், கற்பிப்போம், கடைசி வரை. நன்றி, வணக்கம்.
Thank you, sir, for your inspiring and thought-provoking address. Your words have added great value to this program and will remain a source of motivation for all of us. Now I request the participants to share their valuable feedback.
So good afternoon, everyone. Yes, I am J. Venkateshan from Sri Venkateswara College of Engineering. I am working as a professor in the Department of Automobile Engineering. Also, I am heading the Department of Automobile Engineering. And not only HOD, also the Dean Student Welfare of this SPCE. Generally, my management, whenever I ask permission for attending FDPs or seminar to apply, they hesitate because I have a lot of responsibilities with my role. So, from my college, there are four faculties, including myself. They know me. Okay, so I'm not lying to you. I have a lot of responsibility, but even though I have responsibility, they are permitting me. In fact, I requested the coordinator for permission to leave the session in between if I have any urgent work from my management college. But you won't believe I attended almost all the sessions from the day one. The reason is after the attending first session, I thought my opinion was super. The session was super. Then after the second session, this is very best session. Okay, so there is no decline in the quality of the speakers or lecture. Okay, I am very much impressed with the speakers. They have delivered very quality lectures, no doubt about it. Whether it is lecture session or the hands-on session, I gained a lot. So why I wanted to attend this particular FDP? I am heading the Department of Automobile Engineering. So we are developing electric vehicle laboratory, EV lab in our college. Our management is ready to spend any amount for creating some job excellence. But since this field is interdisciplinary, so we are planning to create setup, using the budget from different departments like mechanical, automobile, EEE, ECE. So, our college system is something like a government system. So, we cannot get a budget at a single slot, a single fund. So if it is a combined budget, it's easy we can get any amount from the management. So to create a setup, I can send my faculty members, but I wanted to have a feel because I am mechanical engineering field. I don't know, I know something about the motors. For example, sir, the last day, I really wondered. Okay, sir has given a lot of input. Today's speaker, sir, Sitibabu sir, he has given a lot of input about the motors. Even though I am a mechanical person, I could appreciate, I could gain the knowledge about the various motors. Sir, really, thank you, sir. Thank you for your wonderful lecture. Even yesterday's session, if you see the design of battery pack, I'm really impressed. Okay, so we had such a program in our SVC, 2-day, 3-day program. That was only for only on that is battery pack, design of battery pack. But I didn't get this kind of exposure in that workshop. Also, I have attended one EV program online. But anyway, this program is a unique for me. Really, I have learned, I was supposed to almost all the topics in the EV field, that is EV motor, control system, battery management, BMS, battery management system, integration of that is charger with the motor, different types of motors. So, the hands-on in the 2 wheelers. Okay, now I have the confidence. Even after this FTP, if we attend these speakers' lecture once again, or at least 2 times again, I will handle I hope that I have the confidence, I can handle the electrical subjects, electrical technology subject. Even battery technology I can handle, because in our curriculum we have these subjects, but those subjects are not handled by me. There are faculty members, they are going to have these subjects. I am basically from thermal engineering side. I used to handle thermodynamics, thermal engineering, heat transfer, GDJP like this. So, not only this, you have extended a very good hospitality. We served very delicious food, harmless food. It's very important. I thank the management, I thank the coordinator, my sincere thanks to the head of the department for organizing such a wonderful FDP. Even in the future, I expect this kind of FDPs. Definitely, I will like to attend the programs in future. Definitely, I will permit my faculty members to attend the program. Thank you. Thank you.
Good afternoon, sir. Myself, Valedictory, Assistant Professor, Tribute Department, Weldtech High Tech. Let me keep this speech essential as we discussed in these past 6 days. One is energy source battery, control unit, the other one is electric vehicle. Here organizers are battery, energy source, and the speakers are control unit, and the audience we are electric vehicle. These 6 days we had very good time, right from Dr. Mala, industrial expert, to Dr. Chittibabu sir last session. We have lecture sessions and hands-on sessions, industrial visit. These 6 days were wonderful. The organizers made this session such a way, blend with the lecture, practice, plus evening hands-on session. Very nice, sir. This is my second time I'm attending ATAL FDP in SA Engineering College. We always wait for SA Engineering College, they will conduct ATAL FDP, we will apply for it. So we wish you all the best to our Hope you will conduct more programs in future and we attend the more programs too. Thank you.
Very good afternoon. Myself, Dinesh, I am from Mepcoshling Engineering College, down south of Tamil Nadu. So basically, I am a mechanical engineering, but I have a postdoc experience in electric vehicles. But my perspective will be more towards a mechanical view in the electric vehicle, where I had the electric and hybrid vehicle harness program in our department, where this opens me another pathway about vehicle to grid. And the entire session was planned in a clear manner, where we had the experts from both industries and leading personalities from particularly this particular
swaying more towards charging. So that makes me much more interested, and we had a big conversation with the expert members over here and then other industrial persons over there, where the collaboration has been partially extended to bring them down to our institute also. So this is very interesting session, but initially I had a hesitation to be here because it's too far from my hometown. But anyhow, the organizers supported us very well, and their hospitality was highly expressional for us to be here for past 5 days. And the session was also interesting, where we doesn't like to miss because we are too far from here, and we expect to move out for some time. But we didn't miss any session as of now till now. So the session was also too good. So it makes us so happy. And maybe not all us or even my colleagues may. I will just recommend them to be here for the upcoming sessions. Thank you.
Good afternoon, everyone. This is Kalimani from Valedictory Institute of Technology. About this workshop, everybody have explained everything. So in my case, so we are from different backgrounds. I am from EC and somebody from mechanical and automobile. Even now, CSC people are also attending that session. So we have a little bit idea about what's EV. So in purchase purpose only we know. So this is a electric vehicle. It was somewhat costly. Like that understanding only we have. So, but when I attended this particular program, even I had good experience with what's the exact EV structure, what are the important components, so how to charge, what are the factors you need to consider when you buy a EV vehicle. So all those things have been explained by the experts in theoretical way, as well as we had a good hands-on experience. So it was very wonderful. So evening session, so we are very excited to attend that session. So live experiment, live demo, all the things have been shown by all the experts. So I would like to thank the management and the FDP coordinator for organizing such a wonderful FDP. And hospitality was very good, and the faculties are very friendly. Madana ma'am and sir, Kamalakaran sir and Priyanka ma'am, so I should mention them. So they were very friendly to help me whenever I ask any doubt. And on behalf of everyone, I would like to extend our thanks first. So for providing such an opportunity to ATAL FDP, and thank you so much.
Coordinator sir for conducting this FDP, because from my point of view, this is not an FDP. Actually, this was conducted like a conference, especially that article session. So in the conference only, there will be one invited speaker, then there will be presentation. Like that it goes. So in every session, there was one article discussion. So in that we have received many inputs from the speakers, like for research ideas, starting from battery management, SOC, SOH estimation, and why for we have to estimate that, because it cannot be measured, so that we are estimating it using different artificial intelligence techniques. And one more thing, especially that hands-on training in the evening. They have shown us many components used for EV. That was a great experience, and if they have not shown where, we will see that. So that was a wonderful experience. Thanks for that. And it would be better if we use computer to train that AI. So in the future, please, thank you, sir. Thank you for everything.
Thank you, participants, for your valuable feedback. Your encouragement make us to organize more FDP in future. Now I request Dr. R. Madana, co-coordinator, to propose the vote of thanks.
Very good afternoon to all of us here. It gives me great pleasure to warmly welcome our respected Chairman, Thirudi Doraiswamy, Vice Chairman, Thirudi Parangaman, Secretary, Thirudi Dasaradan, Correspondent, Thiru S. Amarnath, Director, Thiru S. D. Sabrina, Joint Secretary, Thiru S. Gopinath,
Principal Dr. S. Ramachandran, Advisor Dr. S. Salivaganan, Head of the Department Dr. S. Kumar, and the entire esteemed management of SA Engineering College. The 6th day ATAL FDP on modernizing next-gen charging infrastructure for electric vehicles, AI-powered battery management systems, and their challenges has concluded successfully today, thanks to collective efforts of each and every individual. We thank the management for visionary leadership provided infrastructure, funding, and permissions for all the sessions, ensuring flawless execution from inauguration to valedictory. Our heartfelt thanks to experts Dr. K. Mala, Mahindra and Mahindra Limited, Mr. Bal Manigandan, AR, Power Lab Instruments, Dr. P. Subramaniam, Puducherry Technological University, Dr. M. Rashmi, Amrita Vishwa Vidyapeetham, Bengaluru, Dr. S. Indil Kumar, NIT Trichy, Mr. B. Raghavendra, Sara Controls and Automation, Dr. V. Chitti Babu, IIIT DM, Kanchipuram, Dr. C. Bharatiraja, SRM Katamurdu, Mr. P. Arun Kumar, MWork Solutions, trainers for enriching sessions on EV architecture, and Mr. S.B. Sriraj, Director, MWork Solution, Chennai. A special thanks to our beloved HOD and eminent Professor Dr. S. Sendil Kumar, our diligent professor and coordinator of this ATAL FDP, Dr. S. Kamlakannan, and all the faculty and staff members of Electrical and Electronics Engineering for coordinating the following committees such as Organizing and Advisory Committee, Registration and Hospitality Committee, Finance and Procurement Committee, IT and Technical Support Committee, Resource Person and Communication Committee, Documentation and Reporting Committee, Publicity and Media Committee, Feedback and Assessment Committee, Certificate and Valedictory Committee, and Refreshment and Catering Committee. A warm gratitude to all participants for active engagement, enthusiasm, and contributions that made this session interactive and impactful. Over the past days, this FDP has been a wonderful journey of learning, sharing ideas, and gaining valuable insights. Today marks the conclusion of this enriching program, and we hope these sessions conducted so far have been both informative and inspiring. Thanks to EV Nexus Private Limited team for insightful visit showcasing real-world EV production and charging solutions. And appreciation to the student volunteers media team for coverage, documentation, and promoting this AICTE sponsored FDP. Thank you all once again. Your support inspires excellence. Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you all for your active participation, valuable time, and cooperation. Wishing everyone continued success and lifelong learning. Now I request everyone to rise for the national anthem.
पंजाब सिंध गुजरात मराठा द्राविड उत्कल बंगा विंध्य हिमाचल यमुना गंगा उच्चल जलसि गंगा तव शुभ नामे जागे तव शुभ आशीष मागे गाहे तव जय गाथा